channel about all and everything. All the gamers of the world would have been eagerly waiting for the next series of Xbox or PS5 to upgrade their existing one. Today's video is about the unboxing of Xbox S series, which my brother had recently purchased. Xbox is from Microsoft. The reason why he purchased this is because it is the first digital only version and it supports 4K, and also because of the lowest price. So let's get started to do the unboxing.
Hello everyone, I have an Xbox in front of me. It's Xbox Series X and I'm going to do the unboxing today. So let's start. How do I open this? I guess here. Okay. So this is my Xbox. I actually wanted a Series X, but it's not available anywhere, so I went ahead and bought the Series S. Let's do the unboxing now. How do I open this? Okay, here. So, nope, not this way. I guess it's this way. Oh boy. Oh, there's more things I need to remove. There's a sticker here as well and here as well. Okay, so this is my Xbox. This is the Xbox. There are some instruction manuals and I thought there will be a controller inside. Okay, yeah, there's a controller here. Some cables and some instruction manuals. Yep, that's about it. So let's get rid of the packaging. The first thing I noticed is how tiny this Xbox is. It's really tiny. Okay, the packaging goes here. Now for the big moment. Ta-da! It's quite heavy, but it's really tiny. See, almost the same size as my hand. It looks like a speaker. You have all the power cords. There is storage expansion, a HDMI, a power in, 2 USB, and 1 for LAN connection. And on this side you have 1 more USB, and that's about it. Let's open the controller now. Okay, so I have the controller as well as 2 batteries. It's quite comfortable to hold. There's a rugged feeling over here for better grip, and here as well. So yeah, it's pretty comfy. What else have we got here? There is instructions on how to put the batteries in this controller. Okay, so I gotta press this button. Nope. Oh, I just need to push this forward. There you go. And then this goes this way, and this one goes this way. That's it. Well, it's a little bit more heavy with the batteries in, but it feels more balanced. Earlier I was feeling the weight towards this side, towards the bottom. Now it's evenly distributed because of the batteries. I think it makes it more comfortable to hold. That's about it. I'll try to set it up on my TV and then see how it goes. This is the instruction set that I was talking about earlier. It shows how to put the batteries in. And this one shows what the Xbox contains, all the ports that I was talking about earlier. And this is just the app that you can download as a companion app, which can help you in setup, but you don't actually need it. You can set it up even without the app. And the same thing in other languages. Now looking at the Xbox cover, so this one is just a picture of the Xbox, 120 FPS, 512 GB of storage, and a picture of the controller. This is a digital only version, so you cannot put a CD in, you can only download. And some of the games. So I have this Xbox Game Pass, so I can instantly download any game I want from more than 100 of them. And the same thing here. I have, it's 120 FPS, 512 storage, HDR, and no disk support, as I was mentioning, no disk. And yeah, that's about it. I have plugged the Xbox to my TV. My TV supports 4K, which means I can watch 4K videos on this. I also have subscription to Xbox Game Pass, which gives me access to all of these games. I think there are over 100. And I'm right now installing Battlefront 2 that I want to play. Then you can also go to the store and buy other games which are not part of the Xbox Game Pass. You also get video. You can also install streaming apps like Disney Plus or what else? Netflix or Prime Video or any of those. I'm planning to install all of them here. That way I don't have to switch to a different input to watch Disney Plus or Netflix. So my TV is smart TV, so it by default supports all the apps. It's an Android TV, but I don't have to switch to the main TV home, and I can access everything here itself if I install everything on Xbox. And that's about it. Thank you for watching.
Hope you all liked watching the video. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel.